Welcome. In this lesson, we will look into rounded phrase of arithmetic verbs. In our daily life, we generally do rounding of the calculation result to keep the result by first or second place after the decimal. Similar rounding can be achieved through rounded phrase. Let's understand using an example. In this example, we are dividing the value of total variable by the value of the members variable, and we are giving the quotient or the result to the member average variable. After the member average variable, we have used the rounded phrase. Now let's assume after dividing value of total with the value of the members, we are getting an actual result of 342.736, and the member average, which is a receiving data item, is having pick of 999 V99, which means after the decimal it can only store 2 digits. So now truncated value will be 342.73. If we are not using rounded, then the truncated result will be 342.73. But if we are using the rounded in our divide statement, then the result will be 342.74. Since the rightmost digit is more than 5, then the digit which is left to that rightmost digit is increased by 1. That is, 3 is increased to 4, and that's why we have 74 after the decimal. Now if the value is 342.734 and we are receiving the value in the V pick of 999 V99, in that case the both truncated and rounded result will be same, since the least significant digit is 4, which is less than 5. Now let's assume that the actual result is 342.534 and the receiving data item is pick 999. In that case, result without the rounded phrase will be 342 and all the digits after the decimal will be truncated. However, if you are using the rounded phrase, then the resultant value will be 343. Since after the decimal the digit is 5, the value of the left next digit, that is 2, is changed to 3. It is increased by 1. Now let's assume the resultant value is 342.464 and receiving data item is having pick of 999. In that case, both truncated and rounded result will be same, 342, 342. Value after the decimal is not greater than 5, it will not increase the value of the next left digit. If the value of the result is 5.958 and the receiving data item is having a pick of 9V99, then without rounded phrase it will be 5.95 in the receiving data item, and with rounded phrase it will be 5.96. Similarly, if the value of the result is 12.821565 and we are having receiving data item with pick of 99V9 5 times, then the value without rounded phrase will be 12.82156, whereas the value with rounded phrase will be 12.82157 in the receiving data item. Here rightmost digit was greater than 5 and hence 6 got increased by 1. I hope this lesson give you a fair idea about the rounded phrase. Keep practicing. See you.